Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA.
This is how to pay with Capitec Virtual Card. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. Start by opening your Capitec app and signing in to your account. From the home screen, tap on Cards. Next, select the virtual option at the top of the screen. If you have not created a virtual card yet, tap on Add New Virtual Card and follow the steps to create your card. Once that's done, select your virtual card to open it. This will take you directly to your virtual card page. From here, find the option for online purchases and make sure it is turned on so your card can be used for payments. After that, scroll down and choose the option to add your card to a wallet. At this point, choose whether you want to use Google Pay or Samsung Wallet. Make sure the wallet app you choose is installed on your phone and updated for the latest version. Then tap on Add to Google Wallet or Add to Samsung Wallet. Follow the steps they give and complete the verification process. Once your card is added, open your Google Pay or Samsung Wallet app and set up your virtual card as your default payment method. This step is important so your phone knows which card to use when you pay. Once that's done, you are ready to pay using your phone. When you are at a store, just unlock your phone, then hold your phone close to the card machine where you see the contactless payment symbol. Wait a moment while the payment processes. Once the payment is successful, you will see a confirmation on your phone or the card machine. And just like that, the payment is completed using your Capitec virtual card. And that is it. That's how to pay with your Capitec virtual card. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.